If you turn your AC or your heater on and it sounds like a motorcycle is revving inside of your truck, well, that's a good sign that something's going on with your blower motor. In this video, we're going to dive into explaining step-by-step how to remove the blower motor, check it out, and make sure nothing is wrong, and then reinstall it or install a new one. In order to access a blower motor, which is located in this area here, we have to come over to the passenger side of the vehicle and remove this plastic shield. There are 5 7mm bolts that hold this cover in place. Once we have those 5 7mm bolts removed, we could go ahead and take the plastic cover off. You can see it's really dirty. Now that exposes the blower motor. So that's what we're looking at right here. This is a wire we have to disconnect. You push the tab in the back and you pull it out. Now we'll take a T10 torque bit and remove the 3 screws holding the blower motor into place. If you need anything that we use here in this video, including the blower motor or the tools used to remove and install it, go ahead and take a look in the description below. We have it all linked right there for you. Once you've removed those screws, you go ahead and pull the blower motor out. Now you guys can see inside of here we had a leaf. There's a good chance that's what caused our noise. Sometimes they could get through the filter, especially if it's not installed correctly. Now we'll go ahead and reinstall it. If that's not the case and it's still making that noise, then this is faulty and needs replaced. Go ahead and plug that back in. These guys back in. Throw the key in. Once it turns on, we'll test it by turning the AC up. It sounds good. So that means all that was wrong was a leaf was inside of the blower motor, creating the noise, kind of like when you're a kid and you put a baseball card in the spokes of a bicycle to make it sound like you have a Harley. The last thing we're going to be doing is reinstalling the plastic shroud. And just like that, we've removed the blower motor and reinstalled it, and it really is that easy. If this helped you out, please consider sharing this with your friends and family who have a 2014 to 2019 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500. And while you're at it, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about the 2014 to 2019 GM trucks that we all know and love. And we'll catch you in the next one.